कैंपेनिंग के ऊपर कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, वो क्या कह सकते हैं या क्या नहीं कह सकते हैं उस पर कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन इम्पोज नहीं की गई है। जबकि जब ऑर्डर भी प्रोनाउंस किया जा रहा था तब भी ईडी ने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन डाली जाए, लेकिन कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं दी गई है और 2 जून को उन्हें 2 जून तक की ये मोहलत दी गई है इंटरिम बेल की। अब मैं अंग्रेजी में बोलता हूँ।
आज से लागू होगी
और अभी जितना ओरली बोला गया है, ओरली ऑर्डर में और कोई कंडीशन नहीं है, लेकिन हमें लिखित ऑर्डर देखना होगा कि और कोई कंडीशन है या नहीं है, पहली बात। दूसरी बात, इस ऑर्डर जब ये अपलोड हो जाएगा और अवेलेबल हो जाएगा, इसके बेसिस पे ट्रायल कोर्ट रिलीज का ऑर्डर पास करेगा। हम कोशिश करेंगे कि जल्द से जल्द आज ही हो जाए, वो हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि अरविंद जी आज ही रिलीज हो जाए, वो जल्द से जल्द रिलीज हो जाए और आज ही रिलीज हो जाए।
इंग्लिश में बोल
Today at 2 p.m. the bench in court 2 assembled for this matter, and it pronounced a very short oral order. We have not yet seen the written order, which will be uploaded in the course of the day as we understand. And in that oral order, the court indicated that they are granting interim release / bail to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and that order of interim release will be operable up till 2nd of June. That is during the election process, and there is no restriction on his campaigning as to what he can say, what he cannot say while he is out in these 20-22 days. Any further aspect, we'll have to see the order and then only comment.
So when do you think he'll be released?
We are anticipating that the order should be getting uploaded quickly. We'll obviously move for release today itself. We'll try for the release today itself, and we hope that it should happen today itself. Thank you.
Question over here. What are the conditions on the basis of which the bail has been granted? Will Arvind Kejriwal be allowed to resume his duties as the Delhi Chief Minister? Advocate Pramod, can you hear me? Okay.
कुछ कर सकते हैं और उनको जो है 2 जून को जो है सरेंडर करना पड़ेगा।
तो आप ये फैसले को किस तरह से देखते हैं सर?
ये एक बहुत बड़ी जीत है। ये ईडी का जो केस है वो बिल्कुल धराशायी हो गया। कोर्ट ने जो है इंटरिम जमानत ग्रांट की है और ये इस बात का साबित होता है कि किस तरीके से इस एक झूठे मुकदमे में अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को अंदर रखा गया था।
सर क्या कुछ ऋषिकेश जी हमारे साथ है। ऋषिकेश जी एक बड़ी राहत
जी, ये तो मेरे को बाद में लिख के भेज देना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, तो मुझे बाइट कर।
All right, Advocate Vineet Jindal, if you can shed more light. Now, there are going to be conditions that will be put on Arvind Kejriwal. Right now, we're getting to know that there are no conditions that have been put in whatever Arvind Kejriwal says when he campaigns for his party, Aam Aadmi Party.
Look, there should be some restriction because this is a very big issue. The political things has been rounding here and there. And there are so many people who are talking about the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal, and he himself now come out on a bail. So I think the judicial process should not be become a political thing. So I think the Supreme Court must give some kind of restrictions upon the ongoing proceedings of legal this thing. So we have to see when a return order would be uploaded or be available. So we have to see what kind of condition, whether it is there or not.
Okay, all right. Ayush, coming back to you now, like I said, are there going to be appeals that could be made, petitions that could be filed by Abhishek Manu Singhvi, by Arvind Kejriwal?
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी अंततः निर्दोष साबित होंगे और कैंपेन के लिए उनको छोड़ा है।
देखिए, अभी जो ऑर्डर कह रहा है वो 2 जून तक के लिए है। हम ऑर्डर देखेंगे, उसको पूरी तरह से एग्जामिन करेंगे और उसके बाद की कार्रवाई क्या होगी उसके बाद ही हम बता सकते हैं। The Supreme Court has ordered the interim release of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal until 2nd of June. And there are no restrictions which have been imposed on him in respect of campaigning as to what he can say, what he cannot say. He has also, this is despite the fact that the ED even today, as the oral order was being pronounced, really tried and argued that there should be restrictions imposed on him so that he cannot be saying anything about this case. But that suggestion also was not accepted by the court, and no restrictions whatsoever in respect of the campaigning has been imposed. Other aspects, we'll have to see the written order. And since we have not seen it and the entire order was not pronounced, I am not in a position to comment any further on that.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.